Hello everybody, in this video we'll be solving the 37th problem of Project Euler, which is to find the 11 truncatable primes. Here we'll need to check if a number is prime, as 1 is not a prime number as it consists of only one factor. We will return false as it will be detected as a prime, which is a minor bug with my code. So since we'll have to truncate it, we'll have to convert it to a string. Here we'll put all the truncated variants. Here we'll go right to left. And once we've gotten all the truncated values, we'll make a list to store them. Here we'll be checking for them. It'll go from 9 to 2.5 million, as it has been proven that you do not need to exceed 9 factorial times 7 to achieve your results. Here we searching right to left. Here we'll be searching left to right. And if we have found it to be a complete prime, we will add it to the list of complete primes. And here, if we have found all 11 of them, we will stop searching, as going further will not yield any more results as we have completed. And here, if you give it a second, it will give you the answer, which, if we go over here, is indeed correct. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you next time.